To prevent possible injuries due to improper operation, make sure all decals are attached to the liftgate in the truck and are legible. Make sure the factory installed decals are attached to the platform as shown in the installation manual. Make sure the factory installed fuse changing decal is on or near the power cable and is visible near the location of the fuse. Attach the supplied decals to the truck body as shown. The installation process is now complete. Move the truck to a suitable location to make your final inspection. Open the latch pin and operate the liftgate through its entire operational cycle, up, down, fold in, fold out several times. Make sure the liftgate operates evenly, freely, and smoothly without unusual noise or vibration. Make sure the latch pin slides easily into place and locks. The installation procedure is not complete until all items on the final checklist in the installation manual are checked and verified. If you have any questions, contact Anthony Liftgates.